Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk-around video we're looking at pre-owned 2019 Mazda CX-3 Touring all-wheel drive in white color that we have here in stock. This vehicle comes with the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that paired with automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 146 horsepower, and we have 16-inch wheels here with alloy rims. On the side we have silver painted roof railings with the crossbars, roof integrated shark fin antenna, turning lights integrated into exterior mirrors, and here's our key fob that we can lock and unlock this vehicle. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows with auto window for the driver, power doors, window lock, and exterior mirror adjustment. In front of me I have heated steering wheel and behind it driver's informational gauge cluster. On the steering wheel we can find next buttons. It's a volume up and down. This is controls for multimedia in the center of the dash. Hands-free, and on the right our cruise control settings, and here we also can find paddle shifters. Moving to the center of the dash we have push button start right here, and multimedia touchscreen with HD radio and Bluetooth, our air vents here, and automatic climate control with air conditioner, and also heated seats for the driver and front passenger. Down below we can find a storage compartment with anti-slip surface with USB ports and also 12-volt connector. This is our automatic gear shifter, and down below we have more controls for that display touch screen. Volume scroll here, electronic parking brake with auto hold, and cup holder with the armrest and small storage compartment here. Overhead console including rear view mirror, compartment for glasses, and map lights for driver and front passenger. Also sun visors with integrated mirror and extender on the side. Seats made of black fabric, and both driver and the front passenger seats are manually adjustable. Rear passenger area has optional armrest and cup holder here. And seats could be folded 60-40 in order to extend cargo area. We have also children's seat anchors here and children's safety locks on each rear door. Moving to the back, we can see our rear spoiler with high mounted stoplight, rear glass with the wiper, Mazda badging. We have additional lights here at the back door and rear view camera. We can simply open the back door by pressing button right here. And we have privacy cover, and this is our cargo area with optional light that we can turn on. Okay, we can close our back door, and this Mazda CX-3 also comes with the towing hitch. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2019 Mazda CX-3 all-wheel drive Touring that we have here in stock. This vehicle has heated steering wheel and heated front seats, along with the touchscreen with HD radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, roof railings with crossbars, USB ports, and other great features. Stop by to test drive this Mazda today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.